Hello guys, in this new video I'm going to show you how to create a 1xbet account on your iPhone. So this process is really simple. The first thing you have to do is download the 1xbet app into your iPhone. If you don't know how to do this, I'm going to leave a link below that's going to guide you completely on how to download the 1xbet app into your iPhone. So after downloading the app, the next thing you have to do is tap on registration at the top right corner of your screen. Next, here you are going to see the different registration types. Here we see the first method is through one click, the next method is through phone, and the next method is through email. So if we click on the first method, which is through one click, here you are going to discover that you are normally supposed to enter your country, your currency, and then enter a promo code. So here I'm going to invite you to use the promo code Chelsea TV. That's going to help you to gain a 300% bonus on your first deposit. After entering the promo code, you are going to go on to the next point, which is bonus, and then you are going to make sure to select the option spot. Next, you are going to accept the terms and conditions and then click on register. So if you go back to the first page, we are going now to tap on the second method, which is by phone. Here basically you are supposed to enter your phone number, choose the currency, and then enter the promo code. You are going to do the same here. Enter the promo code Chelsea TV, and then next you are going to select the bonus type, which in our case is going to still be spot. And next you are going to accept the terms and conditions, and then you are going to click on register at the bottom of your screen. Now if you go back, the last method here is by email. So basically here you're supposed to enter all your basic information like your name, your surname, your country, your region. You are going to enter your city if you want to add it. You are going to enter your date of birth. You are going to choose your currency, enter your email address, enter your phone number, enter your password, and then you are going to enter the promo code here, which is Chelsea TV. Next, you are going to select the bonus type spot and then accept the terms and conditions and then click on register.